अपडेट स्टेटमेंट मतलब आप पर्टिकुलर रिकॉर्ड को आप अपडेट कर सकते हो। अभी हम क्या करेंगे, अपडेटिंग 2 कॉलम इन ए सब क्वेरी। सो एट ए टाइम हम 2 कॉलम को भी अपडेट कर सकते हैं। तो ये जो सब क्वेरी को लेकर हम कर सकते हैं। सो लेट्स सी द एग्जांपल। मैं एक टेबल बनाता हूँ, तो थोड़ा फॉन्ट थोड़ा मैं बड़ा कर देता हूँ। क्रिएट टेबल एम्प्लॉई आज select star from HR dot employee employees। पूरा टेबल का डाटा यहाँ पर कॉपी हो जाएगा। तो अभी हम यूज करेंगे select star from employee। तो ये आपका सारा रिकॉर्ड यहाँ पर शो करेगा। It's showing you all the records here. Okay, so now I want to update the record. So update employee, set job ID and salary job ID and salary equals to select job ID and salary from HR dot employee, job ID salary from HR dot employee, where employee ID is equals to 205। ये जो employee ID 205 है, इसका जॉब आईडी क्या है, अकाउंट मैनेजर एंड 12008। हम एक एम्प्लॉय का रिकॉर्ड यहाँ पर रिट्राइव करते हैं। सिलेक्ट स्टार फ्रॉम एम्प्लॉय वेयर एम्प्लॉय अंडरस्कोर आईडी इज इक्वल टू 100। तो इसका जॉब आईडी 80PRES है और उसका सैलरी है 2400। हम किस में कन्वर्ट करेंगे, हम एससी मैनेजर में कन्वर्ट करेंगे। अभी हम अपडेट करके देखते हैं। एससी मैनेजर और 24,000 के जगह पर आपका कन्वर्ट हो रहा है कि नहीं देखते हैं। So now it is updated. Now I check the value. Sorry, employee ID is 100. Employee ID is 100. Okay. Okay, चेंज हो गया, समझ में आया दीपेश, अमित, सुमी?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
in next query, update employee set job id equals to select job id from employee where employee id is equals to 205. इस तरह से भी कर सकते हैं. सपोज एम्प्लॉय आईडी हम यहाँ पर लिखते हैं 105 है कि नहीं चेक करते हैं. 105 प्रेजेंट है. अभी इसको चेंज करेंगे. HR.employees now check. Sorry, 105 105 है कि नहीं हम देखते हैं पहले. 105 का हम चेंज करेंगे. Okay, now it has changed. So in the two way you can do, ये दो तरीका से हम अपडेट कर सकते हैं इधर. So next, just a minute. So updating a row based upon the another table. So update copy employee. तो अपडेट एम्प्लॉई मैं सिर्फ यहाँ पर डालता हूँ. सेट डिपार्टमेंट आईडी इज इक्वल टू सिलेक्ट डिपार्टमेंट आईडी फ्रॉम HR.employee where employee ID is equals to 100. So employee ID 100, department ID is 90, where job ID is equals to, select job ID from employee, where job ID is equals to 200. ओके, सो जिसका जॉब आईडी 200 का जॉब आईडी एडी असिस्टेंट है, तो ये चेंज करेगा। अभी हम अपडेट करते हैं इधर। ओके, तो यहाँ पर ये वाला इसका क्या है, 90, सिलेक्ट एम्प्लॉई सेट डिपार्टमेंट आईडी इज इक्वल टू 90, और जिसका जॉब आईडी क्या है, जिसका जॉब आईडी यहाँ पर एडी असिस्टेंट है, इसका ही इंफॉर्मेशन चेंज होगा। तो हम यहाँ पर चेक करते हैं, सिलेक्ट स्टार फ्रॉम एम्प्लॉई where job underscore ID is equals to AD underscore assistant। तो इसका देखो जॉब आईडी डिपार्टमेंट आईडी 90 हो गया, इसको ही हमने चेंज किया। अंडरस्टूड? अमित, दीपेश, सुमी,
Yes, sir.
दीपेश समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So removing row from a table. For removing a row, we are using delete command. Okay. Just a second. Okay, so now see that for deleting a statement, we are using a delete command. So delete from table name. You can delete or remove the existing row from a table by using delete statement. Delete from table name where, then condition. Okay, or you can delete all the data. Now check here. If I want to delete, suppose I first check all the record from the employee table. So here all the records are present. Now I want to delete 198. Where employee underscore ID is equals to 198. Now check this 198 record is present or not. See that here it is deleted. So it is a command which is used to delete the specific record. If you want to delete all the record, then we write here delete from employee. It is delete all the records. So all the record is gone here. Okay.
Sir, particular column ଯଦି delete କରିବା ଏ ଯୋଉ first name last name ସେଟା delete ହବନି?
अमित कौन कौन कहले?
पर्टिकुलर कॉलम ଯଦି ଆମେ delete କରିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛୁ ମାନେ phone number हो कि hire date हो ମାନେ total column ଟାକୁ
column delete होनी. You have to only delete the record. Column cannot be deleted.
Okay sir.
Column can be what? You can hide. Okay. You can hide the column. Okay. We
Yes, sir.
do it in the next chapter. Okay. So deleting the row based upon another table. So deleting row based on another table. So how it is working? delete from employee where department ID is equals to select department ID from department tables. Okay, so department ID from department table where department name is equals to public. Department ID is 70. So now we delete the record where department ID is 70. Okay, so now first you search a record, select tar from employee, where department underscore ID is equals to 70. Department ID is equals to 70. Okay. Now when I write department ID is equals to 70, now I delete the record here. This one. So after executing this statement now, again I will check the value is present or not. Now you check here. The record is gone. Okay. So we are deleting the data from a table based upon the another table data. Then we are using truncate statement. By use delete statement, you can delete all the record. By using truncate statement also, you can delete all the record. Okay, so in the both way, we delete the record. By using delete, we can delete a record. By using and by using of truncate statement also we delete all the record. The difference between delete and truncate is what? By using of delete, you can delete a specific record. हमें delete यूज करके हम स्पेसिफिक रिकॉर्ड को डिलीट कर सकते हैं, लेकिन ट्रंकेट यूज करके हम स्पेसिफिक रिकॉर्ड को डिलीट नहीं कर सकते हैं. तो इसके लिए हम ट्रंकेट, अगर आपको सारा डाटा डिलीट करना है तो हम ट्रंकेट यूज करते हैं. If you want to delete all the record by using of truncate and delete, truncate perform faster than the delete. Okay, truncate perform the action faster than the delete, but truncate doesn't support the where clause. Delete support the where clause. By using of delete, you can delete the specific record. By using of truncate, you cannot delete the specific record. So that is the difference between truncate statement and delete statement. Now I use here truncate is delete all the records. so ଏତିକି ପଢିଥାନ୍ତୁ ନେକ୍ସଟ କ୍ଲାସ୍ ରେ ଆଗକୁ ପଢିବା truncate ସରିଗଲା in the next class we start with the data transaction